The next global indicator is EH, Eastern Hemisphere. Actually, the part TC2 and TC3 comes in Eastern Hemisphere. So अगर फ्लाइट सिर्फ TC2 में ही रहती है तो ग्लोबल इंडिकेटर होगा EH. Let's see with an example. If the aircraft is going from Madrid, which is in Spain, which is in Europe, to Dubai, which is in UAE, so the origin point is in TC2 and the destination point is also in TC2. So the global indicator in this case would be EH. Let's see another example. If the flight is going from London to Cape Town, so London to Cape Town, the origin point is in TC2 and destination point is also in TC2. So global indicator would be EH. The aircraft remains in only TC3, means the origin point is in TC3 and the destination point is also in TC3, then also the global indicator would be EH. If the flight goes from Delhi to Tokyo, Delhi which is India to Tokyo which is in Japan, so origin point is in TC3 and destination point is also in TC3. So again the global indicator would be EH only. Another case in which EH is the global indicator is when flight is going from TC2 to TC3. अगर फ्लाइट मैड्रिड से दिल्ली आती है, मैड्रिड विच इज़ इन स्पेन यूरोप से अगर दिल्ली आती है इंडिया में, सो वो TC2 से TC3 में जा रही है, तो इस केस में ग्लोबल इंडिकेटर EH होगा विद फ्यू एक्सेप्शंस ऑफ ग्लोबल इंडिकेटर जो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे.